In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CNAME record in GoDaddy. If you're connecting a blog, online store, or app to a custom domain, a CNAME record is what points a subdomain like www or blog to the service that hosts your site. Think of it as a forwarding label for a host name. We'll walk through the exact clicks in GoDaddy and share a few tips to avoid common mistakes. Start by opening your browser and heading to the GoDaddy website. If it's easier, search for GoDaddy on Google and open the official site. Sign in to your account. After you're in, click your profile icon in the top right corner and open My Products. This takes you to a list of everything on your account. Find the Domains section and locate the domain you want to use. If you have many, use the search bar to narrow it down. Next to that domain, click DNS to open the DNS Management page. This is where all your records live, including CNAME, MX, and more. In the Records area, select Add or Add New Record to create something new. For type, choose CNAME. Now fill in the key details. In the name or host field, enter the subdomain you want to point. For most websites, that's www, but it could also be blog, shop, or another short label. Enter only the label itself, not the full domain. In the Value or Points to field, paste the destination hostname your platform gave you. For example, a provider address like shopify.com. Do not include HTTP or HTTPS, and don't add slashes. This field accepts only a hostname. You can leave TTL at the default, or pick a shorter value like 1 hour if you expect to test changes soon. When everything looks good, click Save. GoDaddy will add the new CNAME to your zone. A couple of quick tips while you wait for DNS to update. Changes can take a few minutes and, in some cases, up to 24-48 hours to fully propagate worldwide. If the name you chose already has an existing A record or another CNAME, remove the conflicting record first. DNS only allows one active record for the exact same name in a way that could cause conflicts. Remember that CNAMEs work for subdomains, not for the bare root domain. If your provider asks you to point the root, they'll usually give alternate instructions. That's it. You've added a CNAME record in GoDaddy. Once your provider verifies the connection, your custom domain should load at the subdomain you set,